Deep within each of us lies a unique purpose, a calling that beckons us to live a life of meaning and fulfillment. It's the driving force behind our actions, the compass that guides our decisions, and the source of our greatest joys. Discovering this purpose is an empowering journey of self-discovery, one that unlocks our true potential and allows us to make a lasting impact on the world. Think of it like a seed planted within us. This seed contains all the potential to blossom into a magnificent tree, bearing unique fruits that nourish ourselves and others. Yet, this seed needs nurturing care and the right environment to flourish. Similarly, our purpose needs to be discovered, understood, and nurtured for us to live a truly fulfilling life. This journey of finding your why is not about stumbling upon a grand revelation or a preordained path. It's an ongoing process of self-reflection, exploration, and experimentation. It's about understanding your values, embracing your strengths, and aligning your actions with your deepest passions. It's about connecting with something larger than yourself, a cause that resonates with your soul and inspires you to make a difference. As you embark on this journey, remember that your purpose is not something to be found outside of yourself. It's already within you, waiting to be unveiled. Values are the guiding principles that shape our beliefs, influence our choices, and ultimately determine the course of our lives. They are the fundamental truths that we hold dear, the non-negotiables that define who we are at our core. When we live in alignment with our values, we experience a sense of inner peace, fulfillment, and congruence. Our actions become a reflection of our beliefs, creating a ripple effect that extends far beyond ourselves. To uncover your values, take some time for introspection. Think about the moments in your life when you felt truly alive, energized, and fulfilled. What were the underlying values that were being honored in those moments? Were you expressing creativity, making a difference in the world, or connecting deeply with others? Once you've identified your core values, write them down and reflect on how you can integrate them more fully into your daily life. How can you make choices that are in alignment with your values? How can you use your values to guide your interactions with others and shape your contribution to the world? Remember, living in alignment with your values is not about achieving perfection. It's about making conscious choices that reflect your deepest truths, even in the face of challenges. It's about striving to live a life that is authentic and meaningful, one that is a true reflection of who you are. Our strengths and passions are the gifts we bring to the world, the unique talents and interests that set our souls on fire. When we engage in activities that align with our strengths, we enter a state of flow, where time seems to stand still and we lose ourselves in the joy of the present moment. Our passions are the driving forces that fuel our creativity, ignite our enthusiasm, and inspire us to overcome obstacles. They're the things that we would do even if we weren't being paid, the activities that bring us immense joy and satisfaction. To identify your strengths and passions, reflect on the activities that you naturally gravitate towards. What do you enjoy doing so much that you lose track of time? What are you naturally good at, even without much effort? What topics or activities make you feel energized and excited? Don't be afraid to explore different avenues and experiment with new things. The more you try, the closer you'll get to uncovering the activities that truly light you up. Remember, your strengths and passions are not meant to be hidden or suppressed. They are meant to be shared with the world, to be used to make a positive impact and to create a life that is both meaningful and fulfilling. Embrace your natural gifts and allow them to guide you towards your purpose. Discovering your purpose is a journey of self-discovery, a process of peeling back the layers to reveal the authentic self within. It's about connecting with your intuition, listening to your inner voice, and trusting the wisdom that resides deep within you. Start by creating space for reflection and introspection in your life. Set aside dedicated time each day to quiet your mind, connect with your breath, and listen to the whispers of your soul. Journaling can be a powerful tool for self-discovery, allowing you to process your thoughts and emotions, uncover hidden beliefs, and gain clarity on your values and aspirations. Engage in activities that spark your curiosity and ignite your imagination. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend workshops, and surround yourself with people who inspire you to think differently. Travel to new places, experience different cultures, and step outside of your comfort zone. The more you explore, the more you'll discover about yourself and the world around you. Pay attention to the things that move you, the stories that resonate with you, and the causes that ignite a fire within you. These are clues that can guide you towards your purpose. Remember, finding your why is not a linear process. There will be twists and turns, moments of doubt and uncertainty, and times when you may feel lost or stuck. Embrace the journey, trust the process, and know that you are exactly where you need to be.